Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the best products and gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're going to cover the top 5 best electric pressure washers in 2024 that will transform your cleaning game. Whether you need to wash down your patio, clean your car, or blast away dirt from your driveway, we've got you covered with the best electric pressure washers available this year. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which pressure washer fits your needs. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Now, Karcher is a name well known in the world of pressure washers, and the K5 Premium is a great example of why. It offers 2,000 psi and 1.4 GPM, which means it's powerful enough to take on most cleaning jobs you'll face at home. One thing that makes the Karcher K5 stand out is its water-cooled induction motor. This technology helps extend the life of the motor, ensuring it runs smoothly for longer, even when handling more challenging tasks. You'll also love the RYOBI Power Spray Wand, which allows you to easily adjust the pressure. No need to switch nozzles every time you move from delicate surfaces like your car to tougher jobs like concrete. Another convenient feature? The built-in hose reel. This makes managing the 25-foot hose easy and keeps everything neat when you're done. The Karcher K5 Premium is an excellent choice for someone looking for premium performance and added convenience. It's perfect for those who want a durable pressure washer that can handle a variety of cleaning jobs around the house. But keep in mind, with premium features comes a higher price tag. Number 4. AR Blue Clean BC2 N1 HSS Electric Pressure Washer, 2,300 psi. At number 4, we have the AR Blue Clean BC2 N1 HSS Electric Pressure Washer, delivering an impressive 2,300 psi. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable while still packing plenty of cleaning power, this could be the one for you. What makes the AR Blue Clean BC2 N1 HSS stand out is its quality 2-in-1 design. You can use it as a cart-style pressure washer with wheels, or detach it to be more portable if you need to move around tight spaces or different levels. This flexibility is great for homeowners who need a washer that's easy to maneuver in different situations. Plus, with a 1.7 gallons per minute flow rate, it provides a high level of cleaning efficiency, meaning you can cover more area in less time. This makes it a great option for washing larger surfaces like decks, driveways, or the siding of your house. It also comes with multiple spray nozzles, giving you more control over the water pressure. And of course, it features the total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, helping to save energy and extend the life of the pump. If you're looking for something with versatility and solid power, the AR Blue Clean BC2 N1 HSS is a reliable choice that gets the job done. Number 3. RYOBI 1,800 psi 1.2 GPM Electric Pressure Washer. Coming in at number 3 is the RYOBI 1,800 psi Electric Pressure Washer. Now, this model is perfect for lighter cleaning tasks and is one of the more affordable options on our list. With 1,800 psi and 1.2 GPM mAh stock, it doesn't have the highest power output, but it's still highly effective for jobs like cleaning cars, outdoor furniture, and garden paths. One thing that's great about this RYOBI model is its compact design. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it perfect for those who don't have a lot of space. Despite its smaller size, it still includes a 20-foot hose and onboard storage for nozzles and accessories, which helps keep everything organized. Another feature that users appreciate is the turbo nozzle, which helps increase cleaning power for tougher spots like oil stains on the driveway or stuck-on dirt. It may not be the most powerful unit on the list, but it's incredibly user-friendly, affordable, and reliable for lighter tasks. If you're in the market for an entry-level pressure washer that still gets the job done, the RYOBI 1,800 psi is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Greenworks 3,000 psi 1.1 GPM TruBrushless Electric Pressure Washer. At number 2, we've got the Greenworks 3000 psi TruBrushless Electric Pressure Washer. With a whopping 3,000 psi and a 1.1 GPM flow rate, this is the most powerful option on our list. The TruBrushless motor technology not only makes it incredibly efficient, but also ensures a longer lifespan for the motor. You're getting a lot of power in a relatively lightweight machine, and the 35-foot hose gives you plenty of reach, making it easier to move around large areas without having to relocate the washer. One of the standout features of the Greenworks model is the jet flow technology, which automatically adjusts the pressure based on the surface you're cleaning. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and versatile, so you can go from cleaning your car to blasting grime off the driveway without having to change settings manually. Plus, it comes with a set of quick connect nozzles and a soap applicator, making it even more versatile. If you're looking for maximum power in an electric pressure washer, the Greenworks 3000 psi is a top contender. Number 1. Sunjo SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. And here we are at the number 1 spot, the Sunjo SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. This model has been one of the most popular and best-selling pressure washers for years, and it's easy to see why. The Sunjo SPX 3000 offers 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute, providing an excellent balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're tackling light cleaning or more stubborn grime, this model can handle it all with ease. One of the key features that sets the SPX 3000 apart is its dual detergent tanks. You can store 2 different types of detergents and switch between them easily, which is perfect for when you need to clean different surfaces in one session. It also comes with 5 quick connect spray nozzles, giving you flexibility in pressure settings depending on what you're cleaning. Another great feature is the total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released, saving energy and prolonging the life of the machine. It's lightweight, easy to move, and has everything you need for a range of cleaning tasks, making it our top pick for 2024. So there you have it, our top 5 best electric pressure washers for 2024. From the powerful Greenworks 3000 psi to the versatile and affordable Sunjo SPX 3000. There's something here for everyone, whether you're a weekend warrior or just need a reliable machine for household cleaning. Let us know in the comments which pressure washer caught your eye, or if you have a favorite that didn't make our list. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and top picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.